All the governors of Southeast have done their best. And when you sit at home, they stored food for the governors in their homes. It's not biting them. You sit at home, some of their children are outside the country. It's not biting them. But I know that if the body of Christ and our traditional institution will rise up to let them know the danger, we fear that a splinter group may come. I'm told this week we are sitting at home on Monday and Tuesday and on Friday, and on Sunday sit at home by the Christian body. And so another group may come up and begin their own sit at home on Wednesday and Thursday. Yes, I'm hearing that. And then the end would have come, and it would have become very clear to our people. I've never seen where people brought war upon themselves. So I plead with the Christian body to announce the danger of what we are bringing to ourselves. Nobody is sitting at home in Southwest, in the North, in the South. We're only sitting at home here. What do we intend to achieve? Nothing. We're killing ourselves. We're saying we're agitating. Agitating for what?
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.